Welcome back to Sleazy's Garage. It is late. You can actually see it's kind of dark outside. Not really going to talk too much. I'm just going to kind of start removing more stuff. I don't even know how I'm going to call this video yet. I'm going to try to clean it out and just, I guess, maybe try to get those lines. Only about an hour, so probably going to be another short video. This is pull apart. There's no tabs or anything to pull. This is pull apart. There we go. Alright. Cool. Body here should come out now. I've removed almost all the wiring, even up here, going down that side to the back, and there's the hatch harness. Takes the taillight harness. So, what am I going to do next? I'm a little annoyed over here. I had sprayed the rust converter on that, so I'm gonna have to take a look at that. This looks a little, yeah, there's a little surface rust on that. So I was testing this stuff to see if it was good to do a long-lasting. I guess this doesn't look too bad over here. It's that spot over there that's a little concerning. But yeah, I'm almost done completely clearing out the middle here. So the idea here is after this is all cleared out, I'm going to do the torque box reinforcements for here, and I guess there's a plate that goes over here, and then I'm going to do some kind of coating on the floor. I haven't figured out exactly what, if I'm going to do just Dynamat or like a Raptor liner or something like that I could spray in. Who knows? Alright, so it was about an hour of work. I have to get back upstairs and I'll take care of the dog. But yeah, so I got a little bit of removal of some stuff. I'm gonna take a quick look at what we took out. Some harnesses here. The overhead harness, the body harness. But yeah, so we're getting to a state where we can almost start to do stuff. Definitely not there yet. There's a ton more work to do. Cool, so I hope you enjoyed this awful video, and I'll see you later. Good luck me getting any of this back in here.